So we're going to be using this lattice frame to create the heart, and I'm going to demonstrate 2 ways to load the heart. Inflate the balloon with 2 strokes of the Qualitex hand pump. Round off a little bit and tie. Okay, and you're going to need 38 of these. I recommend you start somewhere in the middle. Somewhere towards the middle, okay? If you start around the edges, the balloons pop out really easily. And if your balloons are too small, they will just slip through the lattice. Loading the display this way with the nozzles and knots outwards means that you get this point of the balloon facing forwards. So this is where you've got a little bit of thicker latex. There tends to be a darker patch, which you may not be too worried about, but if you're doing this in a pink or a flesh-coloured colour, then that sometimes can be a little bit more distracting. I recommend you cut off all the nozzles at the back. We've got the knot. Don't cut too close to the knot. You don't want it to come undone. So just go around and cut these off. I recommend you actually position the balloons this way so that you've got the knot or the nozzle pointing to one of the points, and that's going to help disguise. So just work your way around. It's actually easier to place them this way once the frame is packed. And also the other benefit of doing it this way, your display is less likely to curl inwards, and you get pretty much a double-sided display, because you don't have the unsightly nozzles on one side. So all you need to do now is just tape these down with some sticky tape.